Meaning of go slow.
Go slow.
Go slow.
Go slow.
Go slow. Go slow is a term used to describe a situation where employees deliberately reduce their work rate as a form of protest. This form of protest can take place in various industries, including transportation, manufacturing, and healthcare. The purpose of the protest is to draw attention to the employee's grievances or to demand better working conditions. The result of a go slow is a decrease in productivity and efficiency, which can cause delays and disruptions in the affected industry. Additionally, it can result in financial losses for both employers and employees. Overall, a go slow is a form of industrial action that aims to put pressure on employers to address the concerns of their workers.